guys, I came to Walmart real quick and I said, let me check what they have. And I'm shocked, like shocked. You're not gonna believe how much plants, how many succulents Walmart has right now. Wait for it, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Don't have it. It's going into my cart. And I believe normally these are $3 something. Look, guys. Look at that one. I think I have that or have had it before. But I just want to show you guys. Like, I can't believe it. I'm astonished. Succulents. Panda? I don't know. Yeah, this is, or chocolate soldier. I can't tell. But look, guys, wait for it. Oh, Black Knight. I need it. 1 second. Black Knight. I no longer own a Black Knight. So I'm taking it. This is like right now, full on, feels like succulent nursery, guys. Look. Look at this. Look at it. It's going. Let me show you how far it goes. It's going all the way here. And then, let me show you this side. And over there. What's going on? Look. It's crazy. So many succulents. Look, California Sunset, I believe. I might be wrong. But they're overwatered. It's crazy, guys. Like, oh my goodness. I'm shocked. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. She's coming home with me. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I am so happy, guys. So crazy. You don't even know. My heart's beating so fast. This is so good. I'm sorry because my video is probably all over the place, but it's just because I'm astonished, guys. I am floored. Yep. So these are $3.74. That's $3.74. I think that this is going to be normally, oh, okay, $14. That is a steal for how big that pot is. Like, that's huge pot. These that come in the clay pots are, they're not gonna have a price. Nope, no price. I guess not. So I don't know how much that is, but guys, I am amazed. You need to check your Walmart, especially if you're in Florida. Go check your Walmart because I'm amazed. So I'm gonna let you guys go and I'm gonna make sure I don't miss anything. ones that I ended up purchasing at Walmart. I'm still shocked by all those beautiful succulents at Walmart, guys. I'm just still shocked. I got a black knight because the one I had died. I wasn't really taking care of it. It was in one of the palm tree planters and it just got forgotten. So yeah, so that one looks really nice. Then this one, it doesn't have a name. It says here that it is Echeveria elegans, but obviously that is not correct. I know some of you might know the name of this one, so let me know. And then this beautiful Kalanchoe. Look at those colors. It just says that it's a Kalanchoe, that's it. If I can find the name, I will put it here, as well as for the other one. And then the beauty, the excitement of my day was this one. The highlight of my day, actually, I should say, is this beauty. Guys, look at how big this is. Can you believe it? I was thrown off when I saw it, and there was only one left. So I quickly grabbed it. She likes low light. She's from Brazil. She's a Rapsicillus plant, but also I guess they call it a mistletoe cactus. I've never heard of a mistletoe. Normally I just hear them called by Rapsicillus or Ripsillus. I might be saying that wrong, but there's the name, guys. Anyways, this one was $13 and these were like $3.94, so if you round them off, they were $4. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like because it really helps my channel, and subscribe. Have a blessed day, guys.